Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to wash the car the right way in just 2 minutes, so let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to real quickly run down everything we're going to need to do this job right. So first off, we're going to need 3 buckets: a wash bucket, a rinse bucket, and a wheel bucket. The wash bucket is going to be where our car soap is and our grit guard. The rinse bucket is going to be just water to dunk our mitt in and get the dirt off of it. And the wheel bucket is only going to be used on our wheels so that we don't scratch the paint. Brushes for cleaning our wheels, wash mitt. We're going to need soap for washing the paint, soap for washing the wheels, some spray wheel cleaner. Last, we're going to need a foam gun or a foam cannon. So the first thing we're going to do is fill up our buckets. Don't get the car wet until you're done filling these and ready to wash. That way you don't get water spots. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do to start washing the car is use the foam gun. This is going to use heavy foam to get all the loose dirt and big stuff to drip down off the car without you having to scrub it, and therefore scratching it less. The less you touch your car, the less you scratch it. You can also find a review of this foam gun on my channel. I got it for only 13 bucks. Now that that's done, we're going to start scrubbing the car, and we're going to go from top to bottom. So we're going to start with the roof, then do all the windows, then the hood and the hatch, and then go along the sides. We're doing this because the big dirt and harmful stuff collects down at the bottom, and the stuff that's not so bad usually is along the top. That way we get our mitt less dirty and scratch the car less. Now that we've scrubbed the whole thing, we're going to use the hose and wash it all off. Alright guys, now that we're finished washing the paint, we're going to wash these wheels. We've got our wheel bucket already, and I'm only going to show you on one wheel because it's the same on all of them, no matter how many you have. Basically, we're going to rinse the wheel down, we're going to hit it with this spray cleaner right here, then we're going to scrub it with the brushes, and rinse it down again. If your wheel's been sitting for a little while, you're going to want to lay the cleaner on pretty heavy. Don't let it dry before you scrub it, but give it a minute to work. Alright everybody, that was how to wash your car in just 2 minutes. I hope everybody enjoyed and you guys were able to learn something. If you have questions, throw them down in the comments, and suggestions for videos, I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.